Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy neck warmer with star stitch worked in round. For this project I use one skein of Milady from Mondial and I will use espresso for a nice full border, and I use a 6.5mm hook. Okay, now we are going to chain 74 and close it in round. Here's a little trick to keeping your chains from twisting when working around. We do the first 10 chains. Then insert your hook into the first chain in this loop behind and keep it on your hook as you chain. And now chain 64. Once completed, we pull your hook through the first and your chain will lay correctly. And now we are ready to begin the star stitch partner. So first chain 3. Now we insert the hook into the second chain from hook and pull up a loop. Then we insert the hook into the first chain and pull up a loop. And now do the same in the next 3 chains. So now we have 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Then chain 1 to complete the first star. Now to create another star, we insert the hook into this little eye, this little hole of the previous star. So insert your hook and pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next loop here. Then insert the hook into the same stitch where the last loops of the previous star. And now insert the hook into the next 2 chains. We have 6 loops, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Then chain 1 to finish. And do the same all the way around. And join with the slip stitch into this loop here over the first star. Now it's very easy because we're going to do 2 half double crochet in the eye of each star. So first chain 2. Then we move directly into the first little eye where we do 2 half double crochets. Then we jump into the next little eye where we do 2 half double crochets. and continue to do this until the end of this round. And now join with a slip stitch in the second chain. And now we are going to repeat this set of 2 rounds. So for the star stitch round, chain 3, then insert the hook into the second chain from hook and pull up a loop. Insert into the first chain, then insert the hook into the next 3 stitches. Pay attention, we insert the hook into the back loop only to create a nice border. Now we have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1 to complete the star. Now insert a hook into this little eye, then insert a hook into this next loop here. Then we insert the hook into this large stitch, and then we insert the hook into the next 2 stitches. Insert the hook into the back loop only. Chain 1 to complete the star. And now continue making star stitches as we did in round 1. And now join with a slip stitch into this loop here over the first star stitch. And now we are going to do the second round of the partner. So first chain 2, then we move directly into the first little eye where we do 2 half double crochets. Then we do into the next little eye where we do 2 half double crochets and continue to do this until the end of this round. Join with a slip stitch into the second chain. And now we are going to repeat this set of 2 rounds until we have a total of 7 star stitches in line, or until you reach the height about 20 centimeters or 8 inches. So chain 3, then insert the hook into the second chain, then insert the hook into the first chain, then we insert the hook into the next 3 stitches. Remember, we insert the hook into the back loop to create a nice ribbing border. 6 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1 to complete the first star. And now insert the hook into this little eye, insert the hook into this loop, insert the hook into the large hook loop here, then insert the hook into the next 2 stitches. Six loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops, and continue to do this all the way around. For the second round of the partner, chain 2, this counts as your first half double crochet, then we do 2 half double crochet into each little eye, and continue to do this all the way around. Join with a slip stitch into the second chain. So all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we will have a total of 7 star stitches in line, or until you reach the height about 20 centimeters or 8 inches. Okay, now we have 7 star stitch in line, so we are ready to cut the yarn and weave the tails inside the garment using a tapestry needle. Okay, now we are ready to take the fairy yarn espresso, and we are going to do a simple round of single crochets for the upper part and 1 round of single crochet for the bottom. So first insert the yarn into a stitch, chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet all the way around. I insert the hook into the little eye of each star. Join with a slip stitch into the first chain. Then cut the yarn and weave the tails using a hook. And of course now do the same in the bottom part. So insert the hook into one of these little eye, then do 1 single crochet all the way around. Now let me show you the finished neck warmer. It's warm, soft and very quick to do, so I love it. I'm a really fan of this yarn. I love how the color chains go. I think that the star stitch is a very nice and easy stitch, so this project is perfect for the beginners. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Milady Star neck warmer. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!